Hey, I hope everybody's having a great day. I am Ron Newsbaum. I am the founder of BuilderComs. And today we're going to talk about notifications and the settings behind them. So if you go right over here to this bell in the right-hand corner, and I click on that, you're going to see all your notification stuff that comes through. But let's go into these settings. So you can pick and choose how you want to be updated, how the crew assignment or assigned notifications go out. Do you want to be assigned when somebody changes that? Any of the messaging notifications, supporting document. So as being the master admin, I can be updated whenever I want about anything that's happening on the project, or as little as I want. So say I'm just going to be jumping in, checking on my team, seeing how they're doing. I can toggle all of these off. I prefer to just have them on right now, and I get all the notifications. So that is how you control the notifications. So once again, the notification button right up here under settings. And this has all your different notification settings right here. Turn stuff on or off. And you do know whenever you have a message or an update on stuff, this will have a red dot beside it as well. So we put notifications up there in a couple different places to make sure that you and your team stay in the loop on what's happening and what's coming in from your customers on every project. Once again, I'm Ron Newsbaum. You can reach me at team@buildercoms.com or go to buildercoms.com, fill out our top contact form, and we will get back to you. We are here to help. We want you to have the best communication in your area and deliver a 5-star experience.